Hey, how's it going? Vladimir Donis here. So, hey, today I want to talk about your MLM product, why it's not selling. So, essentially, I want to talk about a specific concept. And the concept that I want to talk about is I want to talk about the concept of filter, and I also want to talk about the concept of segment. So, via this flashcard, I have a couple of different segments. I want to talk about filter and want to talk about segment. So, before I talk about that, let me just tell you how I came about this specific concept. So, a couple of weeks ago, I was talking to an individual, and that individual had just joined, not just, I think he was a couple of months into an opportunity, and he was selling an affiliate marketing type of an opportunity. And the affiliate marketing type of opportunity, I'm just going to throw out some general numbers. I just say, hypothetically speaking, you have to pay, let's just say $400 to join a specific opportunity. Now, after you pay the $400 to join a specific opportunity, from what I understand, the individual have the opportunity to make a couple of $1,000 a couple of months into that specific opportunity. So this individual was very excited and very happy that he had just joined this opportunity, and then he can recruit other people to come into the opportunity. The individuals will pay, let's just say, just hypothetically speaking, just for numbers' sake, the person has to pay $400, and upon them paying the $400, they can recruit other individuals into the opportunity and thereby kind of just continue the cycle, so to speak. And this individual was expressing to me his frustration, and essentially one of the frustrations that he had is a legitimate frustration. I went through the exact same thing. So essentially, he was speaking to a specific individual, and I think about segments. So let's say the individual that he was speaking to was in segment number one. That specific individual had tried real estate in the past. So this individual tried real estate in the past and was not successful with real estate. So now here is this individual who here is this person, my friend who had joined the affiliate marketing opportunity. Let's just say he's in segment number three. He was trying to convince that individual that, hey, I understand that one of your goals is to make money. One of your goals is to have financial freedom. Why don't you leave your segment, which is segment number one, real estate, and come into affiliate marketing? And what he was trying to do is he's trying to say, you know what, the cost to invest is a lot less. Because think about, investing in real estate. When you're investing in real estate, you have to pay a whole lot of money to invest in real estate in most instances. But I guess in his specific opportunity, segment number three, you paid a very small amount of money. And in that small amount of money, you can get a return on investment very, very, very quickly. And guess what? When he was trying to convince that individual to go from segment number one to segment number three, he did not have much success at all. So now what does this have to do with your MLM product and the thing that you're selling? So here's the concept. Think about the filter. So think about Google. If I go on Google right now, Google, I'm going to pretend that Google is up top, is right here. And if I go on Google right now, I can type in how to make money via real estate. If I type in how to make money via real estate, I'm going to be served a lot of content in a specific segment that's going to talk about all of those things that I am already interested in, all of those things that I already have a desire for. If I type in how to make money via affiliate marketing, I'm going to be served in this specific segment right here a lot of information about how to make money using affiliate marketing. So now for you, or for my specific friend, or for anyone, when you're trying to sell something, your goal is to sell to people who already have a desire, people who are already in that specific segment, because it's going to be much, much more easier for you to convince those individuals to make money or to buy your product or whatever the case may be via the segment that they are already interested in. If you're trying to move them from this specific segment, because keep in mind, that's not what their mindset is, that's not what they're searching for, that's not what they're thinking of. You're trying to take them from here all the way to there, whereby there's already a lot of people in this specific segment that's already searching for the thing that you offer, that is already have a predetermined desire to purchase from you. So what happens is that what we do is we create content. We start to create content to try and convince everybody in all of the different segments to come join our specific opportunity, right? Or if we have a physical product, if we have a healthcare product, if we have a supplement, we're trying to convince individuals that's never even taken supplements to all of a sudden try our biohacking supplement or whatever supplement that we're selling. So the idea is you need to be speaking to people who already have a desire to achieve health, but they're trying to achieve health via some other mechanism. Now you can kind of just bring your specific mechanism. You want to talk to people who are already using makeup, but they're using a different type of makeup to use your brand of makeup. You don't want to talk to people who don't even care anything about makeup to begin with, and all of a sudden you're trying to sell them into makeup. Yes, you can do that, but that's a much, much harder sell. The most The much easier sell is to talk to people who already have a preconceived desire for your thing, and to just basically tell them how your thing is great, how your thing could give them the result that they're looking for, right? So this is Google here, and this is all of the different filters. You want to talk to people that is already inside of your filter, inside of your category. When you do that, it's going to make a huge difference. When you write your content, you want to write your content for that specific segment of individuals. When you write your content for that specific segment of individuals, it'll make a huge difference. So if my friend, if he talked about individuals that are already in affiliate marketing that has not, probably haven't had much success because they were using affiliate marketing, but they're using affiliate marketing the wrong way. If he spoke to those specific individuals, he would make a sale much, much, much easier because he's talking to people that's already in affiliate marketing, that's already that already knows that, hey, the vehicle affiliate marketing can give them the results that they're looking for. He'll make the sale much, much more easier. If I am trying to sell someone into my MLM opportunity, I'm much better off getting in front of a group of individuals that's tried MLM in the past, that wasn't successful in MLM. Now I'm giving them a different way to be successful in MLM. Now, if I go to a different segment, if I go to segment 1, I'm trying to convince people who's never joined an MLM, who don't necessarily care about MLM, never heard of MLM, to join my MLM opportunity. Man, it's so much more harder. I can create content in this specific category because there's already people in this specific category searching for the thing that I already offer. If I speak to those specific individuals and say, hey, I know you're in MLM, you've tried MLM, it hasn't worked, this is why, this is what you can do differently, so on and so forth, it's a much easier sell. As opposed to, hey, I got this great new opportunity, it's MLM, and now this is what MLM is, this is how MLM can help you, these are the benefits of MLM, and you're trying to convince the individual of all of the great and wonderful things of MLM. You're moving them from one segment to the next segment. Talk to the people that's already in MLM, that is already know that this specific option can give them financial freedom, and that's when you start winning. Write your content for your specific segment, right? Because, as you can see, Google and Yahoo and all of these different individuals, when they all of these different search engines, when people go online and people go to search for something, they're not trying to serve those individuals other content. They're keeping those people in those specific segments, and they're keeping it very, very congruent. And you should do the same thing. Hey, once again, it's Vladimir Adonis. If you're listening to this via my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you listen to this via my podcast, please go ahead and subscribe as well. That is my time. Thanks for listening. Oh, and also I have a free video series for you. Essentially, it's going to show you how to basically go much, much, much deeper in this specific category, and it's going to show you how to market and how to market like a pro. It's called MLM 80/20. There's going to be a link somewhere on this page where you can go ahead and download the free video series. It's going to walk you through how to market like a pro. That is my time. Thanks for listening. Talk to you soon. Cheers.